what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Faye. Thank you so much for stopping by and checking out today's video. I really hope that you enjoy it. If you do, be sure to click that subscribe button down below and join the fam. Also, if you have not already, be sure to turn on your notifications so that you'll be notified anytime that I upload a future video and you won't miss out on the tea, okay? So be sure to turn on your notifications. And for today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a PR haul, a little unboxing. I want to try to start to film these a little bit more often so that they won't be as long when I film them, because the last one that I posted was like 30 minutes long and ain't nobody got time to be watching no 30-minute video, okay? So I'm trying to film them a little bit more often so that the videos will be a little bit shorter. So I do have a couple of things that I want to share with you guys that I've kind of been hoarding in the corner, waiting to put away. And yeah, that is what we're going to be doing for this video. And also, if you are wondering, I did film this look. I'm kind of feeling myself, so I just decided to do a little bit of pre-filming since this came out so much better than I could have expected. So you'll probably see this look in at least 3 videos because I'm doing a little pre-filming since, you know, I got the face beat and everything. Oh, so yeah, if you are interested in seeing how I created this look, I will link it for you guys if it is already up. If this video goes up before that one, then just stay tuned because I did film it. So yeah, without further ado, if you guys would like to see some of the PR that I have gotten in the mail lately, then please keep watching. Okay, so first up, I'm going to start off with a package that I got from Influenster. And if you are not familiar with Influenster, they are a site that you can sign up for and you do little questionnaires and stuff like that. And then based on the answers to the questionnaires, they will send you out free products if you qualify for like that particular campaign. So every so often, I'll randomly get a little something in the mail from Influencer. But I have to say, this is by far the best thing that I have ever gotten from Influencer. When I got this in the mail, I was shook. I already knew that I was going to be getting something from this company, but I did not expect it to be like this. So it is a package from Beauty Blender, and like I said, I did already know that I had qualified for this campaign and they were going to be sending me something. But when I got this in the mail and I saw all these beauty blenders in here, I was shook, okay? Shook. So this little package came with 6 beauty blenders, and I've never seen this packaging. I don't know if that's like special for Influencer, but it just says Beauty Queen on the packaging. And then it also came with a beauty blender solid, which I can always use more of these because I'm constantly in need of more. And then it also came with the Keep It Clean Cleansing Mitt for fast and deep clean, and another little small cleanser on the inside. So I'm guessing this little mitt is something that you can use, looks like on the back, to clean both your brushes and your beauty blender. So I'm very excited to have gotten this package. Thank you so much to Influencer and to Beauty Blender, because you can never have enough blending sponges, beauty blenders, and I'm legit going to be set for a very long time with this package. So thank you so much to Beauty Blender and Influencer. This one was bomb. So next up, I got a package from e.l.f. and I actually don't remember what was in here. Like I said, I've just been like hoarding things in the corner. So let's see. It looks like there is a silicone glitter applicator, a glitter primer, and a bunch of glitter eyeliners. So there's one in sparkling silver, pink opal, and okay, actually there's 2 glitter liners, and then 2 of these pop of glitter makeup transformer gels. So there's one in golden glitz and one in twinkle pink. So lots of glittery things from e.l.f. in this package. And it looks like they also included like a little challenge in here to create a glittery look and share it on, you know, on your platforms, on your social media platforms. So let me know if that's something that you guys would like to see me actually film, because I do have a couple of looks in mind. So yeah, thanks to e.l.f. for hooking me up with a couple of products to make a glittery look for you guys. So next up, I got a package from DermaE, and if you're not familiar with DermaE, they are a skincare brand, or at least that's mostly what they're known for, but I've been seeing them kind of expand into other things lately. So in this one, it says, put a spring in your step, and it looks like it's probably going to be some spring related items in here. So we have a nourishing rose cleansing oil and also a microdermabrasion scrub, which this product is really great for exfoliating your face. So thank you so much to DermaE. I'm always excited when they send me skincare because they keep me stocked on bomb skincare. So if you haven't tried them out, I definitely recommend them. Okay, so next up, I have another box here. I did open this, but I don't remember who this is from. Oh, okay. So I have a package from Eylure. So when I went to Generation Beauty, I had the opportunity to meet the team at Eylure, and they were so sweet. Their booth was bomb, and I reached out to them after Generation Beauty and just was telling them how great it was to meet them and everything, and they actually sent me some lashes to try out, which I'm really excited because I don't believe that I have most of these. I have some of them, but not all of them. So they sent me a bunch of different lashes to try. So they sent me the Eylure times Ann Lee So Fancy Lash. They sent me a Vegas Nay lash. I don't know what this one is called. It just says number 126 definition. They sent me one of Jasmine Brown's lashes, so very excited to try these. A wispy lash, a silk effect lash, and then apparently Vegas Nay also has a bright highlighter and Shadow Pro palette with Eylure, which I did not know that. Did you guys know that? I had no idea. So this is what it looks like. Super cute little palette. And then when you open it up on the inside, you just have a couple of really beautiful neutral eyeshadows and brow bone highlights and inner corner highlights and just really pretty neutral colors. So I'm not sure how long this has been out, but congrats to Vegas Nay on this cute little palette. Alright, so next up I got a package from Profusion Cosmetics, and I have seen them in Ulta. I believe they're available in Ulta, but I've never, or maybe it was Target. One of the two of those stores. I've seen them around in stores, and yeah, I've seen them around, but I've never actually purchased any of their products. So I was very excited to get a couple of their items in the mail to try out. So they actually sent me a couple of things. So the first thing that they sent is their Strobe and Glow 9-shade highlight and blush palette, which looks like this. And I really love their packaging. Now all of their palettes, they're kind of bulky, but I think they're cute. I think the packaging is super, super cute. So there are 9 different highlighters in here. So I'll definitely be testing that out. And then they also sent over their Naturals 24 eyeshadow palette and brush. You guys know I'm all about the neutrals, so this will definitely get some love for sure. And then they also sent over lastly an eye and cheek palette. So this one has some eyeshadows over here, and then eyeshadows also here in the middle, and then cheek shades here on the end. So very excited to play around with these products. And then they also sent over one of their little lip kits. So this is the Mixed Metals Lips Long Lasting lip kit, and it has a matte lip cream, a matte lip liner, and a metal matte lip cream. So beautiful nude shades. And yeah, thank you so much to Profusion. I'm very excited to try out these products. Let me know down below if you guys have ever tried out products from them. I always see them in the store, like I said, and I just have never picked up anything from them. So I'm very excited to have my hands on some of their products to try out, and I will be sure to keep you guys posted on how I like them in a video coming very soon. Okay, so next up I got 2 super cute packages from Too Faced, and this is the first box right here. You guys are probably familiar with their packaging, and I honestly, I mean, I never really have, well, that's not gonna work because y'all need to be able to see my face. But yeah, I never really have any idea what's coming. Like, I checked, I have a thing where I can see whenever packages are coming to me. So I can see when stuff is coming, but I never know what it is. So I'm like, I know it's coming, but I'm always surprised at the same time. So I was very surprised when I got this. I saw that this was a limited edition collection that launched recently, and I was not expecting them to send it to me at all. But it is the Too Faced Life's a Peach little limited edition set. So when you open this up, on the inside, and you immediately smell like peach. It smells amazing when you open it up. But when you open it up, on the inside, you get a Better Than Sex mascara, a Too Faced Shadow Insurance, and also the Sweet Peach palette. So I thought that this little set was so cute, and I do already have all of these items. So I will more than likely probably give this away to one of you guys. I'm not for sure when I'm going to do that, but just make sure that you are following me on all of my social media channels. They're always linked down below in the description, here on YouTube, on Instagram, on Twitter, and I'll have a little giveaway coming for you guys very soon. And then the second package that I got from Too Faced is this Too Faced White Peach PR package. And when I got this, I was shook because, again, I had no idea that I was going to be getting it, and I just thought it was so pretty when I opened it. So this is what it looks like, and on the inside you get the White Peach eyeshadow palette, another Too Faced Shadow Insurance, which if you guys watch my tutorials, you guys know I'm obsessed with the Shadow Insurance. It's bomb. And then another Better Than Sex mascara. So very excited about getting this because I don't have this eyeshadow palette, and I've been having my eye on it. So this is what it looks like. Very, very beautiful. Smells like peaches. And yeah, very excited to play around with this. So let me know if you guys would like to see me create a look with this. I know it's been out for a while, but you know, I can still create a little cute makeup look or whatever with this little set. So let me know down below if you guys are interested. All right, so next up I got this big old situation from L'Oreal, and let's see if I can remember how to open this. Okay, here we go. So this actually has a couple different things in it. So on the top layer, there's two little hair sheet masks, which I've never heard of something like this. Ooh. So let me know down below if you guys have tried these. I'm very intrigued by the idea of this, but it is a intense repair steam treatment. This one is deep moisture, and this one is intense repair. So my assumption is that you just put it on your head like after you wash your hair, and you do it kind of like a deep condition. So yeah, I'm very intrigued by these. So again, let me know if you guys have tried them and how they work for you. And then on the inside, girl, okay, so we have two primers up here. We have the Glow Lock Primer and the Matte Lock Primer. We have a extra stronghold, what is this? Hairspray. Humidity resistant, so that's always good down here in the south. And then over here we have what looks to be some brow products. Okay, so these are the Brow Stylist brow razors. So basically, like, you know, something to put underneath your brow to raise your brow, arch your brow, define your brow. And then over here we have the Brow Stylist Boost and Set Volumizing Brow Mascara, so a brow gel. And then down here, a Cell Renewal Rosy Tone Mask. That sounds exciting. And up here right in the middle, which I don't know why I just completely skipped over all of these, but these are the Visible Lift Luminous Serum Tints. And these are nourishing moisture for your skin with a touch of illuminating color. Enhances skin's comfort and glow for healthy looking, lustrous skin. Hydrate, illuminate, and add a touch of sheer color for an all-day fresh complexion. So I'll have to try those out just in time for spring and summer. Not sure how those will work on my oily skin, but I will definitely try them out for sure. And then last but not least, I got one more big box right here to share with you guys. And this one is also from L'Oreal. So let me just take this out. It'll probably be easier. Okay, so this is another one that I was very excited about when I got it, because this is another product that I have had my eye on, have walked past in the store so many times, have picked up and put back and picked up and put back. And I was so excited to get this in the mail. So this is the box. This is what it looks like. And it just says Pure Sugar Scrub. And y'all, this package, I'm about to show y'all, is so nice. Okay, look at this. How gorgeous is this package? So it says Pure Sugar Scrub at the top, and then you have your 3 sugar scrubs in here, and then it also comes with a little not really instructions, but just kind of letting you know what's in the package. But this, I mean, this is heavy, you guys. Like, this is really, really nice. This had me shook, and you already know I'm going to be repurposing this box. This is not going in the trash. This is a really nice acrylic box. I'm going to try to take out whatever this is down here and repurpose this box in my beauty room somewhere. But yeah, very excited to try these. Like I said, there's 3 of them. So there is, let's see, the first one is Smooth and Glow with ultra soft grapeseed to smooth away dullness for instantly glowing skin. The second one, or so that's the grapeseed one. Then there's the cocoa one, which is for nourish and soften with buttery cocoa to nourish dryness for smooth and supple feeling. And then the green one is the kiwi one, and that one says purify and unclog with gel-like kiwi for visibly unclogged, tighter looking pores and mattified skin. So that's the one that I'm probably going to be using, just saying. But yeah, this is such a nice PR package, and all of the stuff that I have shown you guys, I'm beyond grateful for. Please let me know down below what items you guys would like to see in upcoming videos. That is really the main reason why I do, like, because I mean, I know you guys like to watch these videos. I like to watch them. I love watching people haul things that they've gotten in the mail and things that they've purchased. But really, like, what other reason is there to haul besides to show it to you guys, show you what I have so that you guys can tell me what you want to see in videos. Like, that is the main reason why I do these videos, because otherwise they're pointless. So let me know down below in the comments what products you guys would like to see in action, what products you would like to hear me review or talk about in future videos. Even the skincare stuff, I can try it out, you know, over the next month or so, and then let you guys know in a favorites video or an upcoming video what my thoughts are, or on my Instagram stories I can let you guys know my thoughts and opinions as I'm trying out the products. So please let me know down below in the comments what you guys are interested in, what you guys might want to purchase, so that I can test it out for you guys, review it for you guys, and let you guys know whether or not it is worth your precious coins. So that is all that I have to share with you guys for this PR haul. I will have more coming for you guys in the future. Lord willing, if I continue to get packages, then I will have more hauls coming for you guys in the future. And yeah, that is pretty much all that I have for this video. Hopefully it's not going to be a super long one, but if you made it to the end, you are the real MVP. Thank you so much for sticking it out and watching the entire video. I appreciate you, and yeah, that is it. So thank you so much again for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you very soon in my next one.